Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Miss Event Planner. Today I'm going to show you how we did 2 whole backdrop and balloon setups in just 3 hours. We had to get there early because the party started earlier in the morning to avoid the heat. Now we got here at around 5:30 a.m. and we did this so we could at least unload because it was off of a main street, so we couldn't park right here. We're up early. We were here at 5:30, 6:30 now. The sun just finally came out so we can get some light and get to work.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't, cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight.
So one of the biggest issues that we ran into at this event was that, of course, we were pressed for time because we had to do 2 setups in the same amount of time that we would normally do 1. But we were told that there was going to be electricity, and there actually were outlets under this little gondola. From the city did not make sure that the power was turned on, so we could only use the balloons that we had already brought because we didn't account that the electricity wasn't going to be working. So with the Nerf gun side, it was okay, but on the other side, we really had an issue because we needed to blow up more balloons, and so that was pretty bad, but we just made it work.
You didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your matrix and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game.
So also I'm going to show you guys how we cleaned up, because some people ask like what it looks like for the takedown, so I just included this as well so you can just get a little glimpse of what happens when you come back and take it all down.
I would be the richest girl alive. You didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my way.
Alright, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Also, if you guys have not heard yet, I just started Party Biz Academy, my online course for those who want to start and brand their business in just 30 days. I would love to see you guys over there. I'm answering comments, helping you guys out with starting up your business. So make sure you guys check that out. The link will be in the description box and up here in the iCard. Alright, see you in another video.
And now that I won, then it's safe to say, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your matrix